Schools are not only for bookish knowledge, they provide a compulsive environment. I will embrace my topic with the holistic name of Almighty Allah, who made me and this entire universe. I am humbly thankful to God who gifted me this beautiful school. And my respectable teachers, honorable chief guests, and all audience, Assalamu alaikum. The title of my topic, the importance of school education in child development. School is founding block of a person's life. This freshly flawed field where seal of future get planned. Schools are not only for bookish knowledge, they provide a compulsive environment for developing social, communication, physical, and curriculum skills. School is the first events of child. Up to till then, parent and immediate family member are only people. The child has human interactions with the school. Children are exposed not only to new idea, but same as competitors. School education also brings the confidence level to the child. The prime reason behind the improvement of a confidence level is that it brings various activities that brings major improvement and both child developing. It is a school where one spends a considerable amount of time, and a school accompanies people from their childhood until their adult age. It can also be said that the impact of a school is much more signified than that of family. It can thus be said that a school aids in or all growth and a personality development of a child. The way the teacher interacts with your student and the way they encourage interactions between affecting the development of each child in a different manner. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much.
मज़ीद दिलचस्प मालूमात और ख़बरों से आगाह होने के लिए गिदरोशिया पॉइंट फेसबुक पेज, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर को फॉलो और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बेल आइकॉन बटन दबाना ना भूलें